Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we will be installing Active Directory on server core, and then we will be promoting this to a domain controller. So let's get started. So first of all, don't remember to log in properly. So in my case, I'm logged in as the administrator of this domain. So just double check your credentials. As you can see here, I'm logged in as this username, and I'm logged into this domain. Alright, so don't forget to log in properly. So next we're gonna run a couple of commands. So we are going to invoke PowerShell. So let's do that. Alright, so we are on PowerShell, and next we are going to first install Active Directory domain services. So we have to run the following command: install -WindowsFeature space -name space AD, which stands for Active Directory, dash domain dash services space, and we are going to include management tools. And just hit enter. Alright, so we have installed Active Directory role. Next we're gonna promote this to our domain controller. So and next we're going to run the following command within PowerShell. Alright, so just type in install ADDS Active Directory Domain Services Domain Controller, and then click enter or hit enter. Alright, so here we have to provide some values. In my case, my domain name I'm joining to, it's just type in your domain name you want to join to. In this case, I'll be joining a local domain, and then hit enter, and then enter the password, confirm, yes. Alright, so now we logged in. then I should be able to see this as a domain controller. So let's double check that. So remember, on our previous video, we have added this server core instance as a member. So you can see this on computers, and then this was my server core joined to the domain as a member computer. But if I refresh, then it's no longer here. That's because now it's a domain controller, so it should be under domain controllers, and in fact it's listed now under domain controllers folder. And you can see here, this is my newly deployed domain controller, which is running 2016. And that's how you join server core to an existing domain, and how you promote from a member server to a domain controller. So I'm gonna go to my server core instance. I'm gonna shut this down. If you don't know commands how to shut down a machine, just shut down. It will give you a list of switches or parameters. So in this case, I want to do like a normal shutdown. So in this case, it will be shutdown. You can either use dash or /. They both work the same. So I will usually do shutdown dash s time 5 seconds. And now my server core instance is shutting down. If you found this video useful, just give us a like, that will help a lot the channel. Thanks for watching.